Hi friends, welcome back to the Big Joy of Learning with Bijoy Ji. Let's continue with Money Matters Simplified. Today we will understand what is a credit score and how to improve it. Ever wondered what that mysterious number called a credit score is all about? Why does it matter, and how can you make it work in your favor? Stick around, and we'll break it down together in simple terms. Alright, let's dive in. A credit score is like a financial report card. It's a 3-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, that shows how trustworthy you are with borrowing money. Lenders, like banks or credit card companies, use this number to decide if they're going to lend you money and at what interest rate. So, what's cooking in the credit score stew? Here are the main ingredients. Payment history, 35%. Do you pay your bills on time? Late payments can hurt your score. Amounts owed, 30%, also known as credit utilization. It's about how much of your available credit you're using. Keeping it low is key. Length of credit history, 15%. How long have you been using credit? The longer, the better. Credit mix, 10%. A variety of credit types, like credit cards, mortgages, and installment loans, can positively impact your score. New credit, 10%. Opening several new credit accounts in a short time can be a red flag for lenders. Understanding these factors gives you the power to manage and improve your credit score. Why should you care about your credit score? Well, a higher credit score can save you money, qualify for loans with lower interest rates, open doors, easier approval for renting apartments or getting mortgages, boost negotiating power, better terms on credit cards and loans. On the flip side, a low credit score can make life tougher. Think higher interest rates or even getting denied for loans. Ready to give your credit score a lift? Here are some friendly tips. Pay bills on time, set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late fees. Keep balances low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. Don't open too many accounts at once. Each application can slightly ding your score. Check your credit report regularly. Spot and dispute errors that might be dragging your score down. Maintain old accounts, and the longer your credit history, the better. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Now let us understand what is CIBIL score. CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau, India, Limited. CIBIL is one of the 4 major credit bureaus in India. The other 3 bureaus are Equifax, CRIF Highmark and Experian. All 4 credit bureaus are licensed by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The credit score calculated by CIBIL is known as the CIBIL score. So, the only difference between CIBIL and credit score is that credit score can be provided by any of the 4 credit bureaus in India. But only CIBIL provides CIBIL score. A credit score from any of the 4 credit bureaus is equally valid. However, most banks usually prefer CIBIL score. There you have it. Understanding and improving your credit score doesn't have to be a mystery. Manage your credits wisely and improve your credit scores. Got any personal experiences with credit scores? Continuing with the topic on language of money, we'll talk about some key financial terms everyone should know. Financial literacy begins with understanding the language of money. See you soon. This is Darpana signing off for now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Joy of Learning. Money Matters Simplified. Learn, grow, prosper. Have a big joy of learning.